Today, we are going to discuss the UGRO Large Vertical Loan Against Property, ranging from 50 lakh rupees to 5 crore rupees. Eligibility criteria. The loan is available to both salaried and self-employed individuals aged between 21 and 65 years. Applicants must have a CIBIL score of at least 650. Loan criteria. Eligible applicants can avail of loan amounts ranging from 50 lakh rupees to 5 crore rupees with a tenure of 5 to 15 years. The rate of interest is between 14% and 18% on a reducing basis. There are no login fees and the turnaround time for processing is 4 days. Insurance charges are determined based on the applicant's age, while foreclosure charges are up to 4% plus GST. Processing fees range from 1.5% to 2%, and part payment is not permitted. The loan products include Fresh LAP, BT Plus Top-Up, Seller BT, Commercial and Industrial Purchase, and Auction Purchase. The lock-in period is 12 months, and the business vintage requirement for self-employed individuals is 2 years. The unique selling points of this loan include financial support without documentation up to 3 crore rupees, funding up to 5 crore rupees under the LIP program, and a loan-to-value (LTV) ratio of up to 80%. This loan is available for properties located within 60 kilometers of a branch. Negative profiles and properties. Certain applicants and properties are ineligible for this loan. These include salaried applicants involved in real estate, gyms, share trading, NBFCs, liquor sales, politics, or DSA profiles. Applicants living in dominated areas are also ineligible. Negative property profiles include schools, hotels, restaurants, marriage halls, PG properties, leasehold properties without PTM, demolition list properties, subject to sale deed properties, hospitals, and nursing homes. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried individuals. Applicants need to submit KYC documents for themselves and co-applicants, the last 3 months' salary slips, and the last 12 months' bank statements for both applicant and co-applicant. Form 16 for the past 2 years, along with the last 3 years' income tax returns with income computation, is also required. Additional documents include 26S forms for the last 2 years, the appointment letter, if available, the agreement to sale, in purchase cases, and property papers with a complete chain of the last 13 years. Documents such as the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all running loans, the latest utility bill for owned or rented residences, and contact details of 2 references are mandatory. Required documents for self-employed individuals. Applicants need KYC documents for both themselves and co-applicants, along with the last 3 years' income tax returns and tax-audited balance sheets. The last 12 months' bank statements for both the applicant and co-applicant, 26S forms for the last 2 years, GST registration, MSME registration, and GST returns for the past 12 months must also be provided. Additional requirements include the agreement to sale, in new purchase cases, property papers with a complete chain of the last 13 years, approved property maps, if available, the LOD, foreclosure statement, and SOI for BT cases, sanction letters for all running loans, and a debt sheet. Proof of residence and office, such as the latest utility bills or rent agreements, is mandatory. Other required documents include contact details of 2 references, the last 3 years' debtors and creditors list on letterhead, and a list of directors and shareholders for companies or partners for partnerships LLPs.